Hey, my name is Viswanath. This is a review of the solar panels that I got installed with Freedom Solar. Honestly, here is my story. Initially, I was a little bit confused on going with solar panels for my single family home. From an economic point of view, my needs and the overall environmental factors. I just started looking out for companies and seeing like in Google search what exactly are the companies available, and I found Freedom Solar. I understood from some online reviews and friends and nearby neighbors that Freedom Solar is really quite popular and branded one around the Austin, Texas area. I called them and they came to my house, did a design review, and they provided like two design proposals. The only difference was they offered me two separate panels and they asked me to select one and the overall cost. They clearly gave me pros and cons of both the panels, why I have to go with one over the other, and they made a recommendation as well. But I took my time, I analyzed it, and I chose my best option, and it was in line with their recommendation too. So once we agreed, I got an account created on Freedom Solar website, and I can track everything what Freedom Solar is doing on the background work. So it was very transparent for me, and I even got timely text messages from them, and all the HOA, county, and city approvals was completely managed by Freedom Solar. Honestly, I didn't have to do anything other than just paying them, and I paid in full and in three installments as the project was progressing. I think the project overall took about roughly 2 months end to end. It was quite simple and transparent. Installation of panels were like super good. I'm impressed with even the minor details that they took care during the entire installation. They even send me the photos of everything after the installation because I can't go onto the roof and see. And I think they help. If I remember, they even helped me on my tax rebates, or even what is the right electricity plan I need to go after having the panels, everything. I think I was overall impressed with Freedom Solar. So yes, I would recommend them, and I would also recommend to go with Maxion panels from them.